That's the roasted chicken, the whole chicken. But I don't really like this roasted chicken, so it's not that tasty. So I put it again, as I said, I put in a pan and just let it cook again there for like until the chicken is done, that you want to be like crispy. The chicken gonna be crispy, so I put like high, the fire high, so it's gonna be crispy later. In fact, it looks so yummy. Okay, and I'm gonna put this onion and the green onion and the white onion right there. So we'll see later. Right there, my chicken. I'm so hungry now. I only ate oatmeal today. See? Did you see it? My chicken. Yummy for my tummy. Okay, now the onions is not really cooked yet, but I want it to cook more. I cover it first and simmer, not simmer, just wait for a little bit, and then I put it up higher fire to high. So hungry. I ate like 10 o'clock in the morning. No lunch. So okay guys. I think you see. Let me see. More. This one is green onions. I love green onions. Just put it like that. Kahumot sa akong luto eh. Smells so good. Now I'm more hungry now. Maghimo pa ko og salad. Kalami sa akong sudan. Kunting humuta. Ay. May gani wala ko'y kanon. So, madaghan ko akong kanon ano. So, nami pa sa inasal sa Juan Pollo. Unsa na siyang inasal sa Talisay. Taga Cebu ba ako guys. Here, kalami. Sige sa. Nanimaho diha guys. Nanimaho diha akong sudan. Joke. Ako rin sulti-sulti. Dure ako isa. Ako rin usa yung sulti-sulti. Palami good. Sometimes I put teriyaki. You know. Or maybe I put soy sauce. Oh, it's already, no. It's already, what you call it? I already put garlic salt. This is the one I put, guys. Garlic salt. See? I'm just gonna put this and diretso sa lamisa. Parang wala na yung hugasan. So I don't have to, I'll just put it in the table. So I don't have to wash another dishes. That's the way I do here. Kaya tinapulan ba, wala na manghugas. Sige guys. Thank you. I'm gonna make some salad. And look at what we have for dinner. So, bye-bye for now. Okay. Here's the finished product, guys. See, it looks so yummy. Ako na lang gibutang og butanganan kay para nindot tan-awon, dili kaldero. Okay, that's my chicken, roasted chicken nga giusab na ako. What you call that? I put it in the pan and cook it again. This is potato salad. It's gonna taste yummy with my chicken inasal. And this one, my salad. Yay! And ready to eat. And ready to eat with here's right there my backyard poolside. I'm gonna eat dinner with good view. Right, have the pool right there. Nobody's swimming. Wala jud na gamit. Wala na may mga bata. Okay, here it is. It's it, guys. Come on. Ako ra og si Jerry akong bana. Looks so yummy. Honey, let's eat. See my salad with sesame dressing. What you call that dressing? Let me get the dressing. See, this is the dressing I use, guys. Sesame is very good. Deep roasted sesame dressing. Oh, they said you can marinate it too. I didn't even know. Look, dressing and marinade. So I'm gonna try to marinate later for chicken, I think. Yeah. And this is it. I put zucchini. No, not zucchini. Cucumber. See? Nice. That's it. Just me and Jerry. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Hehe. Katarong. Ano di ay? Diba? Suway-suway lang dun. Lingaw-lingaw. Char. Lingaw-lingaw rin niya ako, ha? Dalang kagool. Okay, bye-bye. God bless all. Bye-bye.